So parents, we've been focusing lately on how you can help your children with some of their school skills, as well as having some fun at home. Today I thought we'd look at some ways we can practice our math facts: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even division. I think I showed you before that we can make two colored counters. You can take two different colored papers, stick them together with glue, and then just cut out some shapes. If that's a little more complicated, then just take some rajma beans and have the children paint one side white and leave the other side brown, so they have two colored counters there. You can also use buttons of two different colors. Or, here I've got some blue and black ones. The point is they need to have two items with two different colors so they can distinguish. So let's see how this works. We put our counters, whichever ones we've decided on, in a cup, and shake it up real good. All right, let's see what we get. Roll it up. Oh, wow, look what I've got. Okay, I've got 3 red, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 white. All right, the very next step is for the children to draw the picture of this with the correct color crayons. So they have taken the actual object, done the first abstract representation by drawing it, and then, when they have done that, they write the number story. This is a really important process in understanding how numbers work together. So whichever one of these processes you decide to use, 3 steps: the actual object, the first abstract representation, and then the really abstract numbers. Now, another piece of equipment you probably have at home is dice. Woo-hoo, what are we going to get? Well, we can add the 2 numbers, we can subtract, we can multiply, and after we've multiplied, we can even divide as the children get older. I like to use bathroom tiles or swimming pool tiles as well. So randomly, close your eyes, pick 2 numbers. Okay, let's see, 3 plus 5. And then the partner has to give the answer. Similarly, you can do a subtraction. You can even make these into the greater than, lesser than numbers. Dominoes. Do you have dominoes at home? Anyway, it's one of my favorite games. Again, random, pick up a number. Okay, 6 plus 1, or 6 minus 1, or 1 times 6, or when that becomes too easy, we take 2 at a time. Oh my goodness, this is 10 and 7. Okay, wait a minute. Oh yeah, I know, 17. So the children are actually articulating, saying the number story as they go along, but they're doing it with toys. Now, another way we can practice our facts: make a little fishing pole. It's a stick with a string and a little tiny magnet at the end. So in this bowl, we have lots of number facts with a paper clip. So I'm going to go fishing today, and I got a 7 plus 9. But I don't remember what 7 plus 9 is. Oh, good. The answer's at the back. Because at that very moment when the brain is searching for the answer, that window is open for the answer to get clicked in. So it's not cheating, it's learning. So you can use this system for addition, subtraction, multiplication for, let's see what else we get. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is 9 plus 4. Wait, I know. Let's see, make it 10 and 3. Okay, I know it's 13. Well, how about children who are beginning to do word problems, story problems? You can copy these from their workbooks or from their online lessons. And then, again, paperclip attached, go fishing. What did I catch? What do I have to do here? Okay, start at 6. Count on by 10. Okay, wait, 6, 16, and then write the numbers. So I'm doing mental math, and then I am recording what I have found. This little plan of the fishing roll can also be used if we want to remind ourselves of our sight words, if we're learning some of our phonics words, or even for very young children who are just beginning to put picture vocabulary together. You've got a fan. Let's see what you get this time. You've got a fish. Much more fun than using a workbook. All right, so this is important math work, and we all want to work on that. But don't forget to have some fun. Amazingly enough, children love painting rocks. So let's gather some rocks from the driveway, from the park, from the garden. They just paint them. And they paint them today, but tomorrow they get to wash them. Does it seem possible that children enjoy washing rocks? Well, I know a 3-year-old who does it with tremendous joy. Then the next day they can go ahead and paint them again. You have some old coloring books or workbooks, magazines. Children can cut out the pictures, paint them or color them, put them on a stick or a twig, and make a little puppet show. Or you've got some fabric or paper, they can make finger puppets. Really simple. Let's be honest. Those socks that have lost their pair, we're never going to find the pair, all right? So go ahead and add it to the crafts basket and we'll make some hand puppets. Now this is a very simple one with just some markers. But you know these buttons that we had for math, well they can become eyes if someone will help with the sewing. Or we can decorate with some bindies. Or you know that string or ribbon that we never seem to know what to do with. Well, they make wonderful hair or crowns or any kind of decoration on your hand puppet. These are activities that the children can do on their own while you're busy with your work. Just set it up and go for it. So yes, we want to practice our math facts, and let's try doing them in a variety of interesting ways, and then be sure to add the fun activity at the end of the day as well. So let me know how some of this goes, or if you have any questions about how we're doing some math today.